What's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning in to DUSAFARMS, and today we got some mail. I wanted to say we were going to be unboxing something, which, hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so now we'll be unboxing something, so let's go ahead and get into it. Oh my gosh, another package. Right here we have something special. It's actually from another YouTuber, and most of you probably already know him. He's killing it with the full room setup, and that's going to be Terpy Highs. I love his videos, and when he reached out and wanted to send me some stuff, I was like, hey, yes, I'm down. Like, I appreciate it so much. So shout out to you, Terpy Highs. If you aren't already follow him, most likely you're going to be subscribed to him already, but if not, go ahead and check him out and go look at his full room setup. All right, now let's take a look inside. Let's pull it out. What we got. Ooh, first and foremost, a slap. We got ourselves a slap right there. I can't believe my phone just went off. I really like his logo just because of the background and stuff like that, because it's kind of like that Louis Vuitton. I don't know, like the LV behind it. It just seems cool to me. I like it. It's literally just like the Instagram, the YouTube, and like a weed leaf logo. So I think that's pretty dope. What else we got? I'm going to be throwing that up on the board as well. Hold on, got something a little. Ooh, hold on. What is this? Oh, huge. Okay, let me read this right here. All right, so Terpy Highs craft cannabis at home. Send me another slap as well. Thank you. We really appreciate your support. It goes a long way in helping us continue to create outstanding content. Be sure to tag us in any social media posts. We would love to see you're enjoying our items. I messed that last word up, but we'd love to see you enjoying our items. Shout out to you, Terpy Highs. Definitely going to be doing a little post, dropping that on the Instagram, let everybody see it. All right, now it's time to get into the meat and potatoes. Alrighty. Ooh, I like the slickness. I like it, but look at that. See, one thing about his logo is it's pretty much, it's like oil, right? It's like a dab rosin. So I like that pretty much. It's got like that. I don't know if you can really see it, but I like it. It is pretty neat to do that. It's pretty much the rosin going around, but spelling it simplistic, but it's freaking dope. Add some texture to it. Ooh, now I already know what's inside. These are some seeds. Hold on. Oh, there's also some more. Oh, wait a minute. We got two. How you go big on big? Oh, okay. And it's on the back. Wow, I was just about to say, I already know what's inside of it, but I did not know what's inside of it. All right, so we got stomp berries, 10 seeds of that feminized. And if you haven't seen his seed to harvest video, go ahead and check that out. Pretty freaking dope. He's got a full room set up, so you got to enjoy it no matter what. It's cool to see. And also, we got some Mac Nana. Ooh, I cannot wait. I didn't even know about this one. I knew the stomp berries was getting sent, but he threw this in some extra. Like, so shout out to him. It's literally just out of the love, and I really appreciate that so much. I think I saw something else in here. Uh-oh. Hold on. More. Ooh, I'm glad he sent all these stickers, because like I literally place them everywhere. Like I place them on my computer desk, this desk, on the slap board, everywhere. Like I place one everywhere, so it's pretty cool that I got tons of them. So shout out to him. Now let's talk about these a little bit. I do want to talk about the stomp berries and the Mac Nana. The stomp berries will be a cross of Blue Gas and Grape Stomper OG. Mac Nana is going to be a cross of Mac 1 and Banana Macaroon. I'm pretty sure I said that right, but both of these, like I said, were bred in-house by Terpy High, so huge shout out to him, and I can't wait to grow. This is actually what I'm going to be growing next. I got some other stuff going right now, but these will, as far as seeds go, these are going to be the next ones to be popped. Stay tuned for that. Until next time, guys, peace. This video is brought to you with the help of the channel's sponsors. Spider Farmer is a familiar name to most home growers, and that's due to the countless people that use their products. I'm currently using their SE5000 LED grow light, which is a 500 watt light, and I'm using that in my 4x4 tent. This light fits perfectly within my tent and offers max light coverage throughout the entire canopy. I'm honestly a huge fan of the bar style lights, and they do it right over at Spider Farmer, but the main reason I'm attracted to this light is due to the aesthetic and the accents of the orange that these lights, it just caught my eye, and it's part of the logo color, so I had to go with that. They have a huge variety of LEDs ranging from 30 watts all the way up to 1,000 watts, so it's safe to say there's something in there for all growers. If you're interested in checking out any other products, check out the links down below in the description. They'll lead you straight to their website, as well as Spider Farm being nice enough to give us a discount code. So at checkout, make sure you use code DUSAFARMS and earn yourself a discount. Yes, I do earn commission from referrals, but it's only 3%, so it's not a lot, but at the end of the day, any purchase will help out the channel a lot.